Guys, AI has exploded right now. Like, there are AI tools for literally anything, including making money. And if you've not made any money because you probably don't know how to get started, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you different ways you can make money using AI. All you have to do is just to visit the tools, do the necessary input, and you get your job done. And the best part is you don't need any degree, you don't need to have any skill, you don't need to have any tons of experience to be able to do this job. And if you're a stay-at-home mom or parent, or you're a student or someone looking to make money extra on the side, then these jobs I'm about to mention is very suitable for you. But before we get into these AI jobs, if you're seeing this video for the first time, I've been working from home for the past 3 years, and on this channel I share my tips, experiences, jobs available, everything I know so far on remote jobs, so you know where to get started. So if it's something you're interested in doing, please make sure to like this video, subscribe, so that other people can learn from this video as well. So that being said, the first one I want to talk about is what anybody can literally do, and that is selling your voice. I know you may be wondering how one can possibly sell their voice, but you can actually do this. Just go on to this AI tool 11 Labs. This is a place where you can clone your voice and sell it for people to use to put in their videos or anything. So if you have a calm voice, or you have a deep voice, or you have a sweet voice, whatever voice you may have, there are people out there that are willing to pay to buy your voice to be able to impute in whatever they're doing to give them the desired result. So all you have to do is just to go to 11 Labs, sign up, and then you start selling your voice. Now the best part about selling your voice on this platform is the fact that you are allowed to set any amount you want to be paid for any word you utter by the things you're going to be voicing on this platform. So if you're interested, just check out 11 Labs, create an account, and start earning by selling your voice. So the second one I want to talk about is also in the content creation niche, and that is creating UGC content. Now for those that don't know, UGC stands for user generated content. This is basically where you create content for promotion of a business or a service, and you get paid for it. And the best part about this business model is that you don't need any followers to be able to get started doing this and making money from it. All you have to do is just to get a copy of the picture of any product you want to promote, and then you go to this AI tool, invideo.ai, then you can clone the product you want to create content for, and then with the AI tool that InVideo has, you can create your UGC content, and then you start earning money by the time you send it to the company that have these products. And if they're interested in you, then they can buy the content from you to use it to make their promotion or market their product. Alternatively, you can go to this website. This is a place where a group of UGC creators come, and then they sell the content they have to marketers from different companies who may be interested in buying content that is good enough for their company when someone has made a video content using their product. So you can go on here and create content and get paid for it. Now you can make anywhere from $200 to $1,000 depending on the company and the type of video you made. Alternatively, there is also whoop.ai, another place where you can sell your UGC content and then you get paid doing so. So if it's something you're interested in, all you need is just your phone and an internet connection to be able to create these videos. So if you're interested, you might want to check that out. Okay, so the next one I want to talk about is for people that are very good at generating prompts. Like, you know how to describe things so well to ChatGPT or any AI tool to give you your desired result. You can actually curate this your prompt and sell them online to make money. Now you can create prompts for Midjourney, for ChatGPT, for Canva AI, for any AI tool at all, and people that are looking to have something detailed to be able to get the desired prompt will be able to buy this prompt from you. Now this is basically called prompt engineering or prompt creating, and if you're good with this, you can register and start any money by selling your prompts on platforms like PromptBase. This is a place where you can easily sell. Once you're on that platform, you can go to the section that says selling, and then you're going to see the steps you're going to follow to start creating and selling your prompts to earn money. You can earn anywhere from hundreds to 500 or above dollars on this platform, depending on how good you are with generating prompts. So to get started to make enough money, you have to pick a niche that you're going to be generating prompts for, so that people will know you for that. And then you have to be descriptive. You have to know exactly what you're doing and the desired result you want. Take for instance, if you want ChatGPT to write a tailored CV for people, you have to be able to create a prompt that will be so detailed that anyone that sees this will be like, this is exactly what I'm looking for. So those are the things you have to consider before you get started. So if you're interested, you might want to check out PromptBase to start selling your prompts and start earning money from the comfort of your home. Another job you may want to consider is turning long form videos into short form videos, and there are tons of AI tools that can do that for you. Now there are lots of people, especially YouTubers, who are too busy to be cutting their long form videos into a short video, and that is where you come in. You can help them do this, make a shorter version of their long form videos they can post on places like TikTok and Instagram to also boost their audience in those places. Now you're going to be saving people a lot of time by doing this, and you can easily do this using tools like thisscript.com. You can visit the website. This is the place where you can shorten long form videos to short video. Alternatively, CapCut has also introduced a feature that allows you to shorten a long form video into a short video. Those are the things you can easily do using AI. You send it to your clients and you get paid doing this job. So the amount you're going to earn depends on your negotiation with whoever you're doing, and you can expect to earn anywhere from $200 to $500 doing this. So if it's something you're interested in, make sure you consider all these. Now, still on content creation, we're going to be talking about written content this time. Now, a lot of businesses are looking for people to come on board to write a good copy for them that is SEO optimized, so that they can be able to rank on places like Google and social media platforms when people search for them. So what this means is that they are looking for experts that can actually help them to write this. Now, there are people that are gifted with writing, but these days with AI, there are a lot of AI tools. There is ChatGPT there is SEO optimized AI tools that are used for writing that you can use to create a good write-up that you can send to your clients to boost their businesses and to rank in search on any platform that they choose to upload these write-ups to. So they need people that are very good at this so that they can have visibility and people can patronize their business. So you can use AI to run this business and then you get paid. Now the amount you're going to get paid depends on the number of words you write and the clients you're working with. You can get all these jobs on places like LinkedIn, or you can also list your service on places like Contra, where freelancers go and list their service. You can also check up Fiverr and Upwork, but Fiverr and Upwork is always competitive and very saturated. So if it's something you're interested in, you can also market your service on your social media platform, and hopefully you're going to get people that will want to patronize your service. So if it's something you're interested in, consider SEO writing and copywriting as well. So before we continue with the remaining, if you've seen value so far in this video, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're on the road to 6,000 subscribers. We're grateful to all of you that have been supporting us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. We really appreciate you. And if you're looking to make job application fast or anytime soon, then you might want to consider using our job application bundle that is 12-in-1, all done for you templates that you can easily customize, that is ATS optimized as well, that you can easily customize for each job to be able to stand a better chance of getting hired. It is all done for you. All you have to do is just to customize it for each job and get started. So if you're interested, you can grab the copy with the link in the description of this video. I also have some freebies that you might want to consider checking out with the link in the description as well. So moving on, the next one we want to talk about is also related to social media. And if you're someone who is good with social media management and you're good with engaging with people and growing a page or a channel, then you might want to consider this. Now, if you have virtual assistant skill, you might want to also consider this, because virtual assistants can also manage social media if you're very good at that. So you might want to consider doing this, and mostly what you need to do this very well is AI tools like Midjourney, ChatGPT, and Canva to be able to get started. So all you have to do is just list your service on this platform, Workelo. Now this is another place where businesses come and they look for people that can help them manage social media and every other job, including virtual assistants as well. So you might want to go on to this platform, and hopefully you're going to find someone that will hire you to manage your social media platform. Now this is a better alternative to Upwork that is very saturated, so you might want to check it out. Now the next thing you want to consider is graphic design. So because I mentioned Canva earlier, this Canva is your go-to tool for graphic designing. There is also another tool called Kito that people also design with, but Canva is very beginner friendly and you can easily navigate your way on Canva. Canva has an inbuilt AI tool that can help you. All you have to do is just to give it the prompt, and it's going to help you bring any idea you have to life, and you can make money by designing Canva templates to sell, or you can help businesses design graphics for their social media platforms, or you can even design posters, book covers, anything at all that has to do with designing. You can actually do this, including designing websites for people, especially that people that need landing pages. So you can just use Canva and navigate, play around with the features, and you're going to get the desired result you're looking for. So if you're interested, you might want to check out Canva. I also have the link to Canva in the description of this video, so you might want to grab it, get started as a beginner. So the next one I want to talk about is for people that are interested in research. If you're good with writing, editing, with surfing the internet, you know how to search on Google, then this job is what you might want to consider. And this is you being an AI research assistant, and mostly all you have to do is to learn how to use tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and other research tools that can help you with your research to be able to assist people. Basically, you'll be working with researchers and students, people who need assistance when it comes to making research. And you can find this job on this platform. The name of the platform is Collab3. This is a place where you can find research assistant jobs that you can start doing by helping people do research, and you can earn anywhere from $300 to $600 or even more depending on the research you're doing and who you're working with. So if it's something you're interested in, you want to go to Collab3 to get started doing these jobs. So if you're looking for other remote work from home jobs you might want to do, please consider checking out these videos, and please don't fail to like and subscribe to this channel. Check out the links also in the description of this video to know where to get started. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.